Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now choose Get Started at the bottom. Tap on I agree to terms and conditions and then select Continue. Following that, hit Continue again and choose while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Finally, you can choose your wallpaper. I will go with my current one, so I have to click over here. After you decided, tap on Finish at the bottom. Now close an ad and click on Set as Default at the top. Before that, you can manage all of those options however you want to. Lastly, tap on iOS Launcher. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings, clicking on Apps section after scrolling down, and tapping on Default Apps. Now choose Home app and tap on Quick Step to apply it. You can also go into iOS Launcher app, close an ad, click on Set as Default and tap on the chosen launcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!